for alone. Practice, you think? How much stuff do you think you fucked up in these games you fucked around in practice?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't run it out.
Someone would kill you. What?
Mental focus, yeah. I fucked up once today. I didn't focus enough and I lost the ball. In the West Valley game. Yeah, you gotta be able to focus while under pressure. Sometimes when you're like, I know we're used to accustomed being dropped on, but when you're under pressure like a full press like they're running today, you gotta know what you're going to do.
Hey, fucking listen to him.
Aggression. You gotta be aggressive when going for that ball.
I am listening, Phil.
Shut up.
Dude, shut the fuck up.
Fuck up. Somebody's talking.
Respect, man.
This is all good shit that we can listen to. Go ahead.
I'm about to say, as most of you point out, how many of these teams are bigger than us?
No.
Hey, we don't need that right now, dude.
Don't eat your pennies on.
And that comes to my next point, ignoring external influence. I don't care if ref's screaming. I don't care if the ref is being the most dumb shit asshole in the world. He was in the West Valley game, gave some of the most bizarre calls I've ever seen. You just gotta ignore that and just keep playing. Like I got kicked in the face like 4 times. I just ignored it and kept going after the guy. I didn't care. Teamwork. That should be with a given, but it seems not. I don't know any one of us that could go take on a 6-man team and win. It won't happen anytime soon. So you need to work as a team, and it comes out to the communication in the water. You've got to tell your teammates what's going on. You staring at them as they lose the ball because your man swam over and stole it from them in a trap doesn't help us. You got to yell to them or something.
Follow him.
Either go help him physically or yell at him, in the best case, physically helping him while telling him what's going on. And yeah, lack of concentration. You gotta concentrate on what you're doing at the time. You gotta know, 9 times out of 10, game water polo, it doesn't matter how fast you are, or how strong you are, or how talented you are even in some cases. It has to do with concentration. You have to know what you're gonna do if you get the ball. Before you get the ball, not I get the ball, pump it 2 times, then figure out, pump it 4 times, figure out what the hell to do with the ball. We're notorious for that. I've seen, nearly everyone has done that. They pump the ball and they know what they're going to do. That's where they're going to, well, I know they're going to launch him straight in the middle of the air for all I care. I could never tell. Those are the big points.
What you said about the external influence, that's a big thing. We all know that Red's a hard ass and like he's gonna yell at everybody. If you fuck up, he's gonna yell at you, he's gonna be in your face. You know, like if you let that get to you, if you say like, if he yells at you saying like, don't take a shot, and then you say, oh, I'm not gonna take a shot, or you know, like if I like fucking that Riverside game, when I was fucking up, I was like, he was in my face, I was crazy. Like I could have given up right there, but you know, you just have to buck up and change because you don't want to do it to again, you know. Because he doesn't do it to bring you down or anything like that. That's just his personality, and you have to accept it, and you have to move on.
Another thing that he said, dude, guys, when you guys have the ball, when somebody has the ball, even if you don't have the ball, like I said, you have to know what you're going to do when you hit the ball, alright? You got to read the defense, you got to see what's going on. Think a couple steps ahead instead of just thinking, like, as soon as you get the ball, oh shit, like, I got the ball now, what the fuck am I going to do? You got to, like, know what you're doing with it. Read the defense, see if somebody's sloughing, you know.
Polo's 3 seconds faster than what you play it, dude. Exactly. You got to know 3 seconds ahead.
Dude, we gotta look back on what we saw today, fucking learn from it. I mean, West Valley was 2-3 moves ahead of us the whole fucking game. They knew exactly what
and that's the only thing, reaction, quickness, time of reaction, that's it.
You guys saw it, like I saw it in the first half, and same thing in the Long Beach game. It's like if they're trapping us on the driving side, there are 3 guys on the other side, they're ready to fucking take off. They are gone.
Not only that, like, if you foul somebody and you just sit there, like you just sit there watching them as they go to get the ball, you're doing nothing, you know? You gotta come back. You gotta know, oh shit, I fouled them, I can take 2 strokes back and then help back and sit. Stupid stuff like that. Everything's reaction.
These were tough losses today, dude, but if we take these lessons tomorrow
dude,
and for the rest of the fucking season.
Exactly.
But on the same note, if we do it for one day and then we come back in 2 weeks and do the same shit and have to have another meeting, it means nothing.